So earlier we talked about how we can use Excel's auto formatting feature to make our life easier. Now we're going to do something a little different. Let's talk about Excel's if or conditional statements and how those can help you out. Let's go to sheet 2. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a set of data. In class we had set up some dice rolls and we divided up into two groups, Group A and Group B. I'm going to go ahead and make this row bold. And I'm just going to enter some random information. But what we did is we rolled some dice to figure out who had the higher or lower number. Alright. Now, what I can do in Excel is I can, first, let's make a column here. I can have Excel figure out which number was high or low. So here I can say highest number. And I'm going to go ahead and make this column a little bit wider. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a conditional. I'm going to type in equal, because we know anytime I'm entering a formula or a function, I press the equal sign. If, open parentheses, and it says the format it needs to be in right here. The logical test. This is the equivalent of what we've learned before. What is the condition? So the condition is if Group A is less than or greater than Group B. So in my case, I'm going to say, because I said highest number, I'm going to say greater than. So if cell A2 is greater than A3, then I'm going to put a comma and then a quotation mark, and I'm going to write the message. If A is greater than B, Group A wins. So I'll write Group A wins and close the quotation mark there. Then I put a comma for the else. But if it's false, if Group A is not greater than Group B, then the message will be Group B wins. Put the quotation mark and close the parentheses. Now when I press enter, you'll notice that it says Group B wins. That's because Group B was the higher number. I could write that conditional in the rest of the cells, or I can just click on the first cell, drag it down, and use Excel's auto formatting feature to fill in the blanks for me. And here you can see it figured out which groups won and which groups lost. So just to review, let's just make one more set here. Oh, and it looks like it auto format wins again. It did it for me. It filled it in for me. But let's just start from the beginning. I would write equal if, open parentheses, the logical test, which is A7 is greater than B7, close parenthesis, comma, and then this message, good job, A, and the else, or if it's false, good job, B. Close the quotation marks and parentheses, press enter, and you can see it says good job A because A had the higher number. So it's as simple as that. Hopefully you can find some cool ways to use this for your future projects or anything else you're doing. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me or loop mail me, and I'd be happy to help you out.